Alright, let's talk a little bit about gadgets and how to edit the layout of the blog to make it look more how I might want it to look. Change the blog a little bit if you've been watching the videos in order. Got rid of that busy wallpaper and just put it in the header. Alright, and I added some posts so we would have something there for later videos when we work on editing those. Alright, so here's the blog, or you can go to layout. In the world of Google, these little plugins, these little component pieces of your blog are called gadgets. And these different places at the top of your blog, on the sidebar, in the footer, centered across the blog, or at the footer left and right, you can add them. Alright, so if you hit Add Gadget, a window pops open. There are 27 Google authored official blogger gadgets. But if you click on more gadgets, you'll find that there are 875 total. A lot of people have created gadgets and decided to share them. So when you want to add a gadget, you just click Add Gadget back here, and then you pick the one you want. So let's add a search box. Alright, we just want to be able to search our blog. Well, it's not a big deal right now since this blog is only 1 day old, but down the road, people might want to be able to search your blog when it's been up and running for a while. Alright, so back over here, reload the page, and you can see there it is. There's that search box. Alright, so let's do that one more time. Let's add a gadget. This time, let's pick an image. So click Image. We're going to upload it from a computer. Going to pick, that's going to be too big. Let's pick terrible picture, but sorry, bear with me. Save that, and if we refresh this page here, there it is. Alright, so we added a picture, we added a search this blog box. These little components, by the way, you can reorder them. So if you wanted the image here and the archive at the top, you could do that. When you get them lined up the way you want them, you just save the arrangement. And the elements themselves are editable. The archive, for example, is currently a flat list, but maybe you want a drop-down list instead, or maybe you want a hierarchy. You know, you can just change the different components of a gadget as well. I'm not going to change that one. I'm going to add one more gadget that we're going to use later. I'll probably have to devote an entire video to this gadget. It's really important. It's a follow by email. What this gadget will do, and we will get into it a little bit later in a different video, is it's going to create an RSS feed through a product called FeedBurner that Google owns. And through this RSS feed, people will be able to subscribe to your blog. But we'll cover that later. Alright, so let's put the follow by email down here, the search down here. Alright, save that arrangement. And that's what it looks like. Alright, so that's how you add different things to your blog, different pieces, gadgets, and you can add them, you can delete them, you can do anything you want to do. And remember, if you want to change the layout, if you want these over on the left hand side of the page or whatever, that was under the template. Okay, so if you want to change the layout, you go right here. Alright, this was the layout we selected. You can select any of these 8 layouts, and then when you are here in the layout window, you'll be able to put those gadgets wherever you want. Alright, so hopefully that helps you customize your blog and get it to look a little more like how you might want it to look.